We done. I'm about to tune the car. I gotta do it because the rest of the day is thunderstorming, and I want to get y'all dyno video tomorrow. So we gotta do the best that we could do. Let me contact him. Hold on. I'm excited, but I'm bummed at the same time, just because it's freaking raining outside. All right, y'all. I'm about to get this cold start action. Should be good to go. Okay, it's sounding way better now. This is a tedious process. It's a lot of on and off. Neighbors go kill me, y'all. It's a lot of on and off. So we got about 30 minutes left. Me messing with my car took about most of my time. We supposed to start at 10. Started at 11 because it was raining. Then we got out here at 11:30ish. My spark plugs was making the car run rough because I told him it was like a rough idle. It showed me it was misfires and cylinder 4, so I was wondering why the car wasn't popping stuff as much as it was, or it wasn't like moving like I said it was. The car is gonna get faster because it wasn't even driving at, you know what I'm saying, 100%, so it should be pretty good. So I guess he putting it in low power mode right now. He's trying to get the fuel right, you know what I'm saying, so I think we got me drive a little bit. He's loading up the low power tune right now, so yeah. Oh, my neighbors go destroy me, bro. I keep on starting this straight pipe Camaro. They're like, what in the carnation is this? About to get our low power pool. It ain't as wet. So we gonna see. We're gonna leave trash control on. Side, so let's go. They wet, but we getting traction. He gonna be like, that was fast. I only literally did it like that because it was the only place where it was dry, so I had to take advantage of that place. All right, y'all, so now we just reading the car all over again, flashing it, whatnot. I actually forgot this thing is recording. We've been trying to get everything ready and whatnot, so yeah, man. I don't know why that's so funny to me, but bro, as soon as I got out there, I gassed that thing. It's a little slippery out here. Yep, so I guess he putting on his little final little juice on it right now. He's getting all the fuel and stuff together, so we gonna see, y'all. I might want to swap this one out real quick. Okay, this one fully charged. I'm about to swap out cameras. The quality might change because this is my GoPro Black. Yeah, quality might change just a little bit. Just the GoPro Black. So okay, so we putting a final tune on the car. I think this will be the final one. This is when he usually puts all the sauce on it, and then, you know, we go run it a little bit, and he come back to see if everything is okay. And after you see this video, the next video we probably will be dynoing the car. So yeah, that's probably the next thing we gonna be doing. This car been about tuned 3 times. I think when I got the coder intake, and I think I had the E85, I tuned it. Then when I got the intake manifold, the throttle body, and the Roto fab, I tuned it. And now it's full FBO, E85, and straight pipe, and it's getting tuned right now. So we go see what the numbers look like on the dyno. Sometime, I don't know when. I swear my neighbor's about to hate me. This is about to be the 5th time I started this car within an hour. Okay, here we go. I'm so sorry, people. Oops. Y'all can hear this thing. Like that. That's the carnage, I know. Oh yeah. So we about to rip this whole area right here. about to do new 0 to 60 videos, all kind of stuff. And it's pretty cold out here too, so you know what I'm saying? He like that cold weather too. He like that, so we gonna see. We about to pull back up to the crib. He about to let me know how everything go. And yeah. All right, y'all, we all tuned up. Let's see, man. We done. sounds so ugly, but dog. Oh my god. Bro, hold on. I gotta take this off the mouth, bro. Carnage sound like a straight demon right now. I'm about to get y'all some windows down footage, man. It sound like a straight demon at the moment. My man's brewer is different with these tunes. Hold on. I'm trying not to crack this door, but. Oh yeah, we sound like a demon. It sound way better now. Oh yeah, sound way better. So we fixed that problem. My spark plug was loose under there, so I had to wiggle the boot back on. I unplugged it and cleaned around it, and I put the spark plug sauce on it. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we all good now. So we gonna go on the dyno tomorrow, and we gonna see how much power we actually making. So I'm gonna end the video with a pull for y'all. Let's get it, man. Let's get it with the windows down, man. I know y'all wanna hear it with the windows down, cause I wanna hear it. God, man. Carnage acting bad out here. No, he might not be the fastest thing, but this is the first car that I ever built or tried to build, so it's coming along very nicely. This actually is the first car that I ever bought myself. This is my first car I ever bought. I had a 2002 V6 Mustang for graduation. My dad bought me. He didn't get the GT for me because he didn't think I was ready, but yeah, I eventually sold that car because I wanted this. To see what we working with. Oh, he sounds so nasty. Oh, y'all don't even understand. Absolutely disgusting. Let's get a 30 roll. See, it's pulling for sure now. It's pulling. I'm gonna have to compare this to one of my other clips. We're gonna have to do a 0 to 60 another day. But it's for sure pulling now. For sure.